Hello everyone. Welcome to Selenium. Today's topic cross-browser testing concept in Selenium. Cross-browser testing means running the same Selenium automation on multiple browsers such as Chrome, Edge, and Firefox. Different users use different browsers and each browser can behave slightly different. A feature that works in Chrome may fail in Edge or Firefox. Selenium supports cross-browser testing by using different browser drivers. The test logic remains the same, only the browser driver changes. In real automation frameworks, the cross-browser execution is mandatory to ensure application stability across all supported browsers. Now, I will show you a simple console browser example here based on browser value. Selenium decides which driver to launch. The same code opens Cognito, but the browser can be Chrome or Edge. This demonstrates the core cross-browser concept. I will run this application and we will see which one it will take. As we can see, it has been opening the Chrome browser. In the code, we have mentioned to use the browser as Chrome. If we mention Edge, it will run in the Edge browser. The same code will work for Edge browser. Let me make a change and see if it is running or not. I will try to run by using the Edge browser. I will stop the execution now since it has been completed and then run for Edge browser. Once you run, it is it has been opening the Edge browser and now get into the Cognito page and it opens the browser launched Edge. Title is free CRM. Press enter to close. So as you can see, only I have changed the browser and the code remained the same, either to navigate or to print the browser title and print the output to the console. Cross-border testing ensures our automation works for all users. Next, we will see how to run tests in headless mode. Thank you.